Stop clicking. Seriously, if you're still moving your mouse every time you want to blade a clip or add a transition, you're burning hours of your life you'll never get back. Speed in DaVinci Resolve isn't about how fast your computer is, it's about how little you touch that mouse. Today, I'm going to show you how to rebuild Resolve's keyboard to fit your brain. Let's get into it. First things first, let's open up the cockpit. Go to the DaVinci Resolve menu on the top left corner and select Keyboard Customization. Or if you want, hit the default shortcut Ctrl-Alt-K. If you're coming from Premiere Pro, Final Cut, or Avid, you don't have to learn a whole new language. In the top right drop-down, you'll see Presets, and you can instantly switch the entire layout to match the software you're used to. It's the ultimate peace of mind button for switchers. Once you start making changes, you'll want to save them. To save a preset, simply click these three dots and hit Save as New Preset. To export a preset, if for example you're moving to a different studio, use the same menu to export preset as a file. Notice that you can export them for other editors as well. To import a preset, just select Import Preset and find your file. Lastly, if your layout is a total disaster, you can select Delete Preset and get rid of it. Now, look at the virtual keyboard here in the middle. If you're wondering what hitting a key does, just click that key. Then you'll see exactly what commands are currently assigned to it. You can also press and hold a key on your keyboard for the same result. This also works with modifiers such as Control, Shift, or Alt. If you want to see where a shortcut lives in the actual menu structure, hover your mouse over the command and it will show you the tree. If you click it, you'll see exactly where it lives in the commands menu. If you need to find a command, don't go hunting through folders. Use the search bar on the top right of the panel. To assign a new shortcut, find the command and click in the empty space next to it. Then type the key combo on your actual keyboard. If there's a conflict, Resolve will warn you, and you can either assign and overwrite the old one or find a new home for it. Custom shortcuts are the difference between editing for 10 hours and editing for 5. So if this helped you shave some time off your next project, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that this was actually useful. And if you want more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Now, go map some keys, and I'll see you in the next one.